Amazing.
Yeah.
Well, stay right here.
Okay.
So we heard which stocks made it from the last century and the age of Gatsby into this one, but which of today's stocks will have staying power into the 22nd century? We're bringing in our experts here, Brian. We've got Chad Morganlander of Stifel Nicholas, Brian Evans of Bond Street Wealth Management, and Lee Munson of Portfolio Asset Management. Chad, you say IBM is your Great Gatsby company. Make the case.
Oh, without a doubt. It was founded in 1911, was in the Dow Jones in 1934. This company is well capitalized with over about $200 billion market cap, $102 billion of revenues. And the business model is agnostic to any platform change and any software change.
Brian Evans, GE is your top pick. Why?
Well, over 100 years ago, GE was formed by J.P. Morgan himself and Thomas Edison. It was one of the 10 biggest companies back then. It's still one of the 10 biggest companies. They have over 200 major product lines. But I think the main reason why they're going to be around is that technology was the last great industry. The next great industry is going to be renewable energy.
All right, Lee, you say it's J&J. That is the stock of this century. How come?
Well, I mean, I think that first of all, it's kind of ridiculous to think 100 years from now. But when you think about, Band-Aids and shampoo, Johnson & Johnson is a company that makes a ton of profit from the emerging markets, just basically selling everyday stuff. You take a look at IBM. IBM has had several times that they almost bit the dust because of bad management. General Electric, in my mind, has been around for 100 years because they got lucky by having top CEOs back to back for generations after generations. I'm not going to bet on that continuing happening. So if I have to make a somewhat silly, but I love being here talking about 100 years from now, I want to know that it's something duplicatable, that it will cross markets, meaning that emerging markets, rich markets, we all need these basic consumer staples. But what I don't necessarily want to bet is that we're going to have destructive technology, and I also don't want to bet that we're going to have the best management go up, generation after generation.